ChatGPT versus Jeda AI. Let's see the differences. Let me get into the piece. Guys, you can see ChatGPT here and Jeda AI here. Now, I'm going to ask the same question from ChatGPT and also from Jeda AI. So, let me ask. Generate some interview questions for a web developer, for hiring a web developer. That's all. Okay, so this is the prompt I typed. By the way, I'm going to submit this by using this button. Okay, let's see the output. But you can't edit this here, because if you need to edit this, you have to copy the things and paste into the Word document or something else. Okay, now I'm going to use the same question, but here Jeda AI has this AI menu. Okay, you can click on that and see some AI recipes here, and just click on jobs and career. Then you can go to interview questions, and now you just have to type the role. That's all. Okay, now I'm going to type web developer. That's all. Okay, you can use any type of role. Now you can type what are the skills and competencies also, but I'm not going to do anything like that. I just click on generate button. Now you just have to wait a few minutes, and then you will be able to get the real output. Actually, this is a ChatGPT output. You can see that this is not bad, really great. But let me show you the difference between ChatGPT and Jeda AI.
Wow.
Okay, this is the interview questions for web developer. Actually, here you can see a great output, and also you can edit these, right? So you can move them. Also, you can edit them by double clicking on this. Okay, so can you explain the purpose of HTML? And I'm going to type HTML and CSS. So like that. Actually, you can edit these sticky notes as needed. And also, just let me show you this one. Actually, I am going to double click on this sticky note, and then I am going to type / you will get universal analysis and blah blah blah. Now I am going to ask them to explain what is this, and I am going to click on text here, and then you will see AI is currently generating on contents. Let's see what's the output. For this question, you can see HTML is the language blah blah blah, and you can see the answer here. Okay, you can see the answer here. So if you are a candidate, you can use this to generate some questions and practice. If you are a hiring person, then you can use this to generate some questions in an editable mode. Those are the things that you can do. Also, you can present these questions to someone by using these tools. Especially there are some tools, rectangles, and pencils, and also brushes, and like this. So you can just draw something. Okay, we'll be able to present those questions. By the way, also if you copy this link and then if you paste it on somewhere, okay, just think you need to share the board to a colleague or a friend. Okay, you can just share the link here, and then he or she should be able to log in to that board by using the guest access. Okay, join as a guest, or maybe he can join. He can register with the Jeda AI. He or she can see the output you generated, and also he or she can generate the things as you do. Okay, thank you all. I really like if you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow on my TikTok channel, and like this video, comment this video, and share this video to anybody. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.